Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Fatma Suci Ramadhani, with NIM 1703520056 from the Digital Office Administration major in 2020. Will present the result of my thesis research in childhood analysis of the incoming and outgoing mail system in the protocol division and at the Ministry of the Agriculture. Chapter 1 Introduction. The reason behind this research is the discovery the problem is managing is the correspondence system in the protocol division at the Ministry of Agriculture. This is supported by data showing that the majority of employees companies use email as a means of communication and carrying out tasks daily office work via email. According to his research, Madanchian and Hamad Taherdous, 2015, because letters are tools written communication that has special requirements from in the form of notation, the use of distinctive language, and the inclusion of signature, which aims to convey information without having to meet in person. But several divisions, including protocols, are still using a manual system in correspondence and not yet implementing a digital system which has been provided with the running of a mailing system that is still manual, causing many physical letters to be abandoned without being input or not information about an agenda. The use of physical mail makes the space narrow because in the protocol section, the minister has not accommodated the system as it should. According to Al Mahdi 2020 explains the archive a document has important value to an agency or organization as well with storage requires a large space. In this case, researchers have carried out pre-research by distributing a related questionnaire. This first with the question, are there still problems with handling the flow incoming mail and outgoing mail? Here answer 100% really experiencing problems. And the second, with the question, what is the storage system for incoming mail and outgoing letters to the Ministry of Agriculture protocol are very efficient using Microsoft Excel. Here answered 1000% not 1000% not efficient. This problem really requires good and structured letters management. See the importance of correspondence in an era that use digitals. Based on the problems that occurred, I asked researchers conduct the research in the protocol division, namely, how is the incoming and outgoing letter system managed in the Ministry of Agriculture protocol? Two, what are the obstacles and challenge of incoming and outgoing mail in the current era of digitalization, and what impact does this have on communication? With the intention of to find out, analyze the management of the incoming mail system and outgoing letters to the appropriate protocol division of the Ministry of Agriculture, which with the current era of digitalization. Uh, Number two, to find out and analyze system constraints, and the challenge archived in the current era of digitalization, and hope to provide benefits become an input and the technical consideration for the division and Ministry of Agriculture protocol to be more efficient in managing and running a good archiving system and easily conforms to standards. Chapter 2, Theoretical Study. Digitalization of correspondence is the transformation of letters into digital format to manage incoming and outgoing mail. This replaces the process and manual administration, which electronic become more efficient, have saved time and costs. As the state by Setio and Sidik 2020 to advance information in terms of correspondence on and information enhancement, it is also important to include correspondence digitalization technique in government association. Communication via letters is carried out internally and externally. Correspondence according to Arifin and Latif 2020 says there is a problem mail handling is a major problem in maintaining the integrity of the information that will be needed at some point a company or organization. According to Yatimah 2020, letters have several functions. In general, the function of the letters as reflected in the formulation meaning, namely as a written communication tool for convey message or information. The function of the letter itself is official communication to notify the recipient about an event, decisions or important events, requests for information, requests or service from other parties to confirm or ratify an agreement. There are four types of letters, namely personal letters, official letters, letters of invitation, and letters of notification. Here I take some theories which are more or less almost the same as my research. The first there, Wanda Birahmawati 2019, management of incoming and outgoing letters is managed electronically using the incoming and outgoing letters information system or Sisumakor. Management of incoming letters through Sisumakor has stage starting from receiving, assessing, recording, directing, following up, and storing. And the same as my research, the first Sri Agustin and Sonia Nurpesmawari 2022, and Robert Onahia Waruwu Kurniawan Sorto Nafol Zai Maria Magdalena Batae and Jelison thanks to Imam Jayagya. Chapter 3, Research Methods. Here, I use qualitative methods with data collection technique, observation, interview, and documentation. Validity technique are validity of data using triangulation method, source, methods, and time. Data source, primary and secondary data. Data analysis technique, data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion. Chapter 4, discussion. One of the responsible government agencies in Indonesia on the management and development of the agricultural sector, Ministry of Agriculture carry out functions such as formulation, determination, development of research people, supervision and regulation, provision of aid and subsidies, innovation and technology, tech development, export promotion, policy implementation, agriculture, and of course, the main aim of the Ministry of Agriculture is to continue improve programs for the welfare of farmers and improve contribution of the agricultural sector to the country's economy as a whole. Correspondence activities are an important element in protocol work. Letters are used for in communication between units within the ministry and relationship with other companies. This correspondence activity creative a system for managing incoming mail, and the letter went out, but the protocol division still hasn't implemented the acceptance or sending letters using the application provided by Ministry of Agriculture. This happens because there are still many divisions or other units that do not use the electronic official documents management or PNDA application. So there is concern that the letter will not be received by the party concerned. If there is a problem, that of course the research will discuss and interview several employees protocol division to find out what problems are occurring as for the participant table. Management of the incoming and outgoing mail system. In managing the incoming and outgoing mail flow system in the protocol division, there are still problems in writing letters and receipt of letters. This is due to a lack of compliance with regulation. Digital application have been provided to make work easier its own stakeholder. Here I ask a research to do question regarding the paper flow of incoming mail and how it is produced outgoing letters if there is a work visit, which can be concluded based on the results of interview with participants regarding to the flow of incoming and outgoing mail can be synthesis that it can take two can take 2 and 3 days to receive in an incoming letters accepted as explained for the plot itself. Goes through several stages letters of entry the ministers TU or Secretariat General's TU, Public Relations Bureau TU, and finally to the protocol sections. Let us go to the protocol section. Let us go to the protocol division, according to the nature of the letter itself. This can be said to be a very inefficient because there will be a lot of information which was discovered too late for very important agendas. Obstacle and challenge of incoming and outgoing mail in the era of digitalization. Every agency and company certainly has its own obstacle. One of them, such as the one in the protocol division, is still not there using the correspondence application provided in storage. The data is still stored using the Microsoft application. Excel to save data on incoming and outgoing mail, which contains a letter numbering, date of the letters, content of the letters, and purpose of the letters. The obstacle phase can be described again as to how things are progressing. This era is increasingly modern, very practical, and employees can do it implement the existing system so that it runs as it should. The matter at the research interview, what was the goal in breaking down the obstacle occurred in the protocol division in receiving incoming and outgoing letters as information that is really needed in every life. Based on the results of the interview above, it can be synthesized that management the mailing system is still not well managed because it is still in use manual method and use of the TNDA application, which is still not used properly, even distribute and each division. So there is potential for loss or damage. Documents are very fragile, requiring more human research to manage the mailing process manual and limitation in accessibility information, especially if letters news must be searched or retrieved manual. Therefore, the protocol division receive news via WhatsApp application to speed up the information that is updated every day because it is more practical and more efficient. Discussion. Management of incoming and outgoing mail system. In the flow incoming mail, it is first put stored according to its nature. This is in line with previous research. Research such as mail management can be defined as a series of management activities through the life cycle of mail, starting from creation, storage, maintenance, use to description of letter or documents in an organization. Tiara et al. 2023. As explained by several studies on digitalization, digital activities are closely related to the process of storing and transferring information electronically via computer media without knowing the boundaries of time and place. Lelia 2020. 22. And discussion, obstacle, and challenge of incoming and outgoing mail. The theory set by Rahadian 2019 is that concept of digital governance or a governance consists of two important elements, namely governance as the main concept of electronic or ICTs or information and communication technologies as a tool to improve the government process. This is done to encourage employee work productivity and create a better administrative system at the Ministry of Agriculture. Another goal is the encourage optimization of service to all stakeholders. Chapter 5 Conclusion. Management of the incoming and outgoing mail system in the protocol division of the Ministry of Agriculture is still very slow in the process of receiving mail, like the flow of incoming mail, which and take up the days to be received with protocol team. Two, the protocol division is still an obstacle in receiving incoming and outgoing letters, which already provide a special application for this correspondence. However, there are still many divisions that still do not use the application system provided for outdated reasons. Theoretical implication. The use of a good correspondence system can increase administrative efficiency in the Ministry of Agriculture. Public administration theory emphasizes the importance of an efficient administrative process to achieve organizational goals in the most effective manners. And theory and practical implication, the results of this research are still very far from perfect in the operation of the correspondence system in the increasingly modern and increasing sophisticated era of digitalization, because the stakeholders themselves have not developed the application that have been provided properly. And limitation, this research this research is only carried out in government agencies which are not used on agriculture alone, but on plantation, animal husbandry, horticulture, and food crops. Limited the time because not many employees are always in the room, often carrying out work out of town, so this become an obstacle for us to be able to dig deeper into the protocol division. Recommendation research is only carried out in one division, so recommendation for further research can be carried out in the other division or several division concept in terms of the ministry work. It is hoped that future research will not only focus on one goal regarding the management of the incoming and outgoing mail system, try to involve what the daily activities of the protocol division are like in order to be able to analyze problems that occur in the protocol division. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.